Mama Che, Mama Kwaba, and Badwam Ahosepe, so world of entertainment. Dear Chagu, dear Fata, when you know Sumo Yadibi, as Sumo Ewa Hase, meaning the Sandra or Hime Ametiwa, Ajume Adom, entertainment, I may a Ghana for Chimwa.
When you start sending her, where do you die? Or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
Ghana's entertainment prophet, 2 times a guy. Guys, no. Now, Kessia has na me call motion. Still na dame e bohun de ro. Oni e na me be twetwen komo ngeni pa atoa. Ngeni pa atoa kra was eh Sister Sunday mo dame e do atro. Just say moyi central region e film na me so de. Kimping aboche. Ya pon asan komo e me entwetwen. Ti abusua ye be pound tomato 27th of September. Eti komo e de ache bia no je de best mo. Ansa na no me me de yi Kessia da ye na so. Ti enwum we bra ne entwetwen komo. Would say and you be say na kaka would niema because nyum ne say na it brings back memories, especially ubi on nanti so many years. Me train manager Kim P and on one yemba Jim P. And I say Dada the manager and ne baby mo was studio. I say, ya church home come one and you want Casaba, Umbeka, the Wumbia, Chimudia tray. Penny for me, Mama Kwaba. I know it's not easy because most of my hapa. First of all, we asked saying, I remember more strong one day in a moving NCP. Manager, first of all, how was it like working with a nobleman, a legend, to say Dada KD?
I'm so proud to work with Dada KD. For 10 years, you know, I'm so proud to work with him. 10
good years.
Yes.
That's a decade.
10 years.
Wow.
To work with Dada KD is a big achievement.
Great.
Yeah. They took me CV, so maybe I made me a call.
Maybe I made me.
Nah, I was not expecting.
That early dismiss, you know. And
being with Dada KD is like you've been with a brother. Yeah, because I do baby, it's be too full. Yes, ma, no bekasa and idea, and he always wanted me to be around him, and you didn't come on, especially with fear, you didn't come on. And I asked my can I say, "Am I time for you? Time for?"
Don't inherit my enemy.
Great. Time for you. So I learned a lot of things from him.
Great.
And, yeah.
And yes, I got on one of my. Okoto and one of my share brands in Niama, even a voice cry. Me discovered the social media and I was like, hey, you were for Papa Chipe, Jim. Aquaba, baby, yay, I want fair, Bibi Aboko.
Oh, Adam.
Oh, me Pachoa, Jim, yes, Washamalo pay. Your dad is a legend, and I believe so. I'm an oning and Oshe, or Papa Numa, why you go home, even a chikra. How does that make you feel as a son?
I feel great. I feel great. Emma said, "The Papa is a legend, you know, and see, yes, you never be safe if you know home. But unfortunately, said we say see. But I was say BSc crap on now. Me sure say, and I believe say, Pasha and crying. That's our church in my bit my day. That's what they were and also.
Now, Kalaning and I know when I born your man.
Back another person so
Kwala no etu na mobonyo ba na ise me say ye hu wo so je na na ye na abato papa de we fa papa de na watum te say kwabo ti me fa papa o so no watum
you be blend high life ni afrobeat so say afrobeat ni I says it infuse the two.
Oh, Kimpi by your side you are good to go. Say what me fa nyom no do money je na utum na wo ya de ye mamo yako ye nko eyi no enhyehyɛ ye so yi a ye tu ahye because of certain events sisi wo Ghana first na helicopter crash no and first to kwani Daddy Lumba helicopter crash in a call Asante Hema so de so na wotwe ko ebuso Kumase de dending and am tu ahye finally no Rebecca say ye ne baso. Passion ho hyehyɛ ne te say.
Okay, me nda be 20th.
Okay.
Mame nda ye omampanyin, ye mampanyin
John
Mahama. Any chief of staff.
Okay.
Yeah, any Minister of Tourism, Creative Art, ndo mo ase ye ma Dada Kedi state barrier a big state barrier State House
Great.
Forecourt opposite conference center meminda ebe ya by 6 there na ye ne Dada Kedi atom paso yeah enti on Sunday no na ye ne ko ne krom Kedi ye konti hene
Okay.
on the chrome enti Sunday no that's 21st no ye ne ko ne krom but before ye be do ne krom no nyumtofo akese nyina ehia Saturday nyumbre won the chrome for musical concert
Okay.
pa the shia Kedi kwan and we are Sunday yetnase na yakwa kosie no ye ne no besi o ama nkofo adofo aba abahwe no chom behwe no na yakwa ko peno kwa bi
Na chese memne de da yanim na no pa de from no nsia ekone de fans and lovers of Dada Kedi ebe share with State House, forecourt of State House. Na ya de dan mpem na nkofo aba behwe no na nanwumre no ni krom ne he
Aguna Esama
Aguna Sama for de mon sorry na mum yinja legend no kra kra jem
Yes, ma'am.
de kwaso nyina memne da ya memo ahoden pa
Amen.
bia be fine
Amen.
but one crabby message bia de ma the fans say the one that the ni ho na wo ai ti den na be ka cho
Okay, this is here no yes sir adofo say omomra no beja obia yes mo ebe started from an papa Saturday no pa na obia your friends so uba no di obia ba na ebe hwe mu nyina kama
enim so
ana mo kuma sino so so won't me makra we share wo Aguna Sama na we say we underground artist cra
this is your chance
ebe ma opportunity ma performing enyumre na kosi Sunday
kwesi ada no
pachan
great I say afade na yetuntum
afade na yetuntum ene
kokko tuntum ne kokko mate say kuku damanu to fa kuku damfo ni ngina ehia wo hwe opanyin bi te say kechi kwa mi apia mo a obi ehia boy bi rasco free chichichichi omu ngina achira omu ngina eba eti yabada mase na Jim also National TV masha obo say this is home kimpi do beka acho this is home movie ye to asie wie bia nyom bia be promo bia we are here for the talent na baba pacho mo final words to a fan session mo
ye be say adofo nyina say meminde ebe bia mbra no be support aya ye wie eyie na ye bisa say sika he na wenya ba ye bisa say Adom baya na nti to say me so omodo Dada Kedi efa no ne nyom etumi esisi fie na de no obi ambra no be show the last respect to Dada Kedi and then ebusia ne ba ne nyina na woni me say Dada Kedi obodam everyone
we do ha obesia go trigger mame oh okay
obia so mbra na Adom TV multimedia whole multimedia Adom wase Sunday Adom wase pa odi me frɛ anadwo kram pa obia se channel manager obia obia se
na je mo dame no bobi de
oh yeah
woni mbo me fa anti show na no
I'm telling you
oh yeah sure
oh yeah
and so the way you hear it Dada bibia and your opening game the world to so manager opening game the 27th September Jim umegumani masi obeche show obeche kwakwa but my final words na
okay enti more behind the scene am mo boy nyina ayi nim nyina edabu nyina ase edamu ase in advance. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bako say manda sa ye mpayimfo no Madam Ajwa Jumo.
Okay.
Kedi cousin.
Okay.
And bra Erica Champon. Kedi cousin.
Okay.
Omo abom modern pa.
So abom nyina wa so that mama na wasikimpi was why
ya na kechi kwa mi apia. Etom bebre. Na yas mo na de efia yeah in fact omunyina omoya de pa
efia beta makula na
da bi Kedi wo fase yeah Kedi wo fase ono na bibia je na eba na letters show okwa ha okwa in fact omunyina omoya de Kedi bra kojo kojo brefo omoya de pa
Penifo ha na yedi besi na ya da penifo ase. Thank you so much. Anopa sorry dey easy. Say mutimi so ba. Iti Jim, ye wie ye ni bibia.
Ashawati.
Thank
you
very much.
follow
Ebubo social media no almost starting for your way but mo follow talent no.
Okay. So TikTok official GP.
Official GP.
Sorry, GP 999.
Okay, JIMPEE.
Yes.
GP. Okay.
And Instagram your official GP.
Your
Facebook GP.
Odone papa nyoma. He may be gone, but his spirit still lives on. Namo day supporting a band. And for your better say, opinion why idea pa 15 asie fit just wone keche kwame apia nyame hia mo pa monda na dwuna monam that's it can do vigil na my idea ya wa yie ba bonsem ba komo ya wa yie betie ka anu we dey magia ti ya de besina me de nanwoma agya kwan ya ba ya to a ensem so thank you for coming so much Jim madam nyina ma sekimpi ti yentie nanwom fa nje o kwan